Hey there everybody, we're here with another video about stocks. So as you can see, today's portfolio is up a whopping 18%. Well, it's mostly because of that previous risky investment I made. I was talking about in the last video, and it ended up paying off. I mean, I was trading options and I decided to take a position on the ticker symbol TQQQ right here yesterday because I saw that it was at a pretty low price, and I bought around this area, the option, and because I saw the simple pattern of it just support and resistance, it usually bounced around this area, and it went down to that area, but you can't really see it without the candlestick charts. It went down to that area, and then now it's starting to rebound, and it's starting to reverse. So now since it's reversing, I was thinking, all right, so it's going to keep going up. So I bought an option, a weekly option. It's expiring Friday, but I already sold it. So overnight and during the day, I sold my option around the day's high, so that was also a good factor of that. But I sold it for a whopping 150%, or at least something like that. So I bought one option for $110, and I sold it, as you can see here, for $250. So that was a profit of $140. How good is that? And if I could do that at least once a week, then that would add on a lot to my portfolio. But still, I'm not super confident about this, and I'm not sure about it. So I'm only going to use options on something that I'm 100% sure on, like this trade. But I see that there might be a consolidation for TQQQ. That's why I sold it today. It's probably still gonna go up tomorrow, but I want to stay safe with the option because I'm still not familiar with them for 100%. So once it's probably gonna stop around this area or this area, the price of TQQQ, and from there, once it stays there for a while and it starts trending upwards, then I know it completed that part where it usually stops for a little bit. And then I'll buy some options, and hopefully either I'll day trade it or I'll just buy it and hold it overnight and sell it for also hopefully like around 100% profit. I'll buy like one or two options because it's still risky and I'm not sure if it'll work out, and I don't want to lose half my money with it or 100% of my money with it. So that's basically it. Also, I invested in SPXL. I talked about this in a previous video. It usually bounces around this certain price right here, and it was at that price when I bought it, and it's starting to trend upwards. I may want to pick up some shares. Oh, even better idea. I may even buy some options for this. So I might buy an option right after this video for this stock, and I'll hopefully wake up tomorrow with it being on the plus around 100%, because that's how crazy these options are for these kinds of stocks. Yeah, so basically, right here, trade options. Yeah, okay, so I want to buy that option now. Huh? Alright, let's just check out how expensive they are. If I want to buy a call option, it's gonna be around 150, 100, 200. Alright, that's okay. So I might buy one because I don't have that much available capital because of most that I spent on you guys. I didn't get in the best price, as you can see, 123. Then it fell down like another $5. So I'm on the loss with this one in the red. But because of previous patterns, it usually bounces around this area, and right here around this area too is where it's at right now. But most likely it's gonna bounce tomorrow, and that's why after this video I might want to buy a share or two of these of you guys, and I've only $140. So either I go with the option or I go with you guys stock. You guys stock can also give a high return. According to previous patterns, it could give a return of about 26%, and it's a little bit safer, like less profit but less also chance for loss. And I'm planning to buy another SPXL option and a call option, and we'll see from there tomorrow. And this week is going by really fast, and I'm hoping to actually hit 900 now. My goal last video was to get over 720. Well, now I'm trying to get another $100 by tomorrow. So just watch the next video, check out my previous videos. I showed the growth from $500 to $800 right now. It's been a crazy time, like the last month or so. It gained around 70%. And if you want gains like this, just comment down below if you want me to make a video how I choose the best time to buy and sell stocks and how I find my stocks and all of that stuff. All you need to know about trading stocks. So I'll probably make it during the weekend. So be tuned for that. Stay tuned for that. Alright, that's all, and please like and subscribe for more videos, and have a nice day.